Area conversion between metric and imperial units. There are 10.7639 square feet in 1 square meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 5 square meters to square feet. The answer is 53.8195 square feet. There are 0.092903 square meters in 1 square foot. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 100 square feet to square meters. The answer is 9.2903 square meters. There are 1,550 square inches in 1 square meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 2 square meters to square inches. The answer is 3,100 square inches. There are 0.836127 square meters in 1 square yard. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 3 square yards to square meters. The answer is approximately 2.508 square meters.